going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy A51. This is brand new for me. I've never had an A series phone, so this is going to be very interesting. Let's get into it. Nice. Okay. Wow, this is massive. This is very big. So beside the phone, you get adaptive fast charger. You also get some earphones, some cheap little ones, nothing crazy, and then a USB Type-C cable. That seems to be it. So let's put that aside. And then inside the box over here, we get SIM injection tool and then other information. Oh, what do you know? You also get a nice case. It's a nice silicone TPU case. It's not hard, but it's nice and stretchy, and it will do nice for the time being until you can afford a new one. So put that aside. So now let's go ahead and take this off. How do I take this off? You know what? I can just slide this phone off out of here. Check that out. Wow. This thing is huge. It's very light too. Let's see if it has any juice. I think this is the power button. Or is this the power button? Yeah, this is the power button. Alright. Galaxy A51. Powered by Android. This is such a huge and nice display compared to my phone, which is an S10 Plus. Something I want to tell you guys, you got 4 cameras back here on the back. Also, this is the Prism Black Crush, which is essentially just I don't know how to describe it. Not glass, it's plastic. It's a nice plastic. So it's pretty cool, Definitely feels like plastic, not glass. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and give you my impressions here. This phone is so sick. After just using it for like not even like 5 minutes, it's so nice. It's well, right now, brand new. It's snappy, it's quick, and I haven't tested anything out. That's all I gotta say. Well, first impressions, this thing is cool. This thing is I paid like what, $300 for this. It's pretty cool. It's big. It feels comfortable in the hand. It's because it's not wide, so it's a nice solid hand feeling phone, and the case feels soft and comfortable, not gonna lie. It feels really nice. The screen is very vibrant, like right out of the box, it's very vibrant. Haven't used it for YouTube or anything like that, but it seems very vibrant. It seems really good. Yet to see the performance, anything like that, but first impressions are looking okay. There was a little bit of a lag when I first was popping in through the settings and checking stuff out, but it wasn't like terrible. But that's what I expect from a 2020 budget mid-range phone. So stay tuned for more videos on the Galaxy A51. Peace.